Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily Channel. Just a quick one here. I want to take this short moment to emphasize once again on the need to check out crypto flow bots, the AI-powered automated crypto trading bot, guys. If you are tired of losing monies to scams, if you are tired of losing money to centralized platforms, then I invite you to come and take a humble look at crypto flowbot. This might be your game changer. This might be the opportunity to question you against all scams. We have all experienced scams in one way or the other online, trying to make money, guys. And myself personally having lost huge amount of money in the past simply because I had to deposit my money onto platforms that claimed they were trading for us, only to wake up one morning and realize that the site is gone, our money is gone. So I am calling on fellow traders, fellow online people who want to diversify their portfolio with very low risk, then come check out Crypto Flowbot. Crypto Flowbot, like I said, is an automated AI trading bot that trades on sports and futures market. And in fact, this bot has got built-in smart capital protection, okay, and risk management features such as take profit, okay, stop loss, which will prevent you against liquidation. Liquidation is one of the biggest stretch to many traders and manual traders and even some other trading bots, because with liquidation you can get all your capital wiped out to zero, like we experienced some few weeks back when Bitcoin crashed all the way from like $120,000 to like $58,000, and billions of dollars were liquidated. So with crypto flow bots, it is quite unique, guys. Now, just before I proceed, a quick risk disclaimer here. You have to take note that cryptocurrencies prices fluctuate a lot, and if you are not patient enough to wait for price to always recover, please don't join crypto flow bot or any trading. Remember, crypto flow bot does not control the market. However, it has got special premium features. It's able to analyze the market. It's able to select the best coins to trade. It trades the top 100 coins ranked on coin market cap. Now you are in full control of your capital. All we just do is to do API binding of the crypto flow bot. Okay, you just bind it to your Binance exchange, okay, or your Bybit exchange. Currently, these are the only exchanges it supports. Hopefully later some more will be added. Now you just bind it. This API stands for Application Programming Interface. This is an application that allows two apps, okay, to communicate with each other. So this bot cannot touch your trading capital in your Binance or Bybit. It cannot withdraw it, but it only just uses it, reads it and traces it for you. It generates profit for you, and averagely 10% to 30% plus in a month. Okay, that's what I want you to know. So this bot, it doesn't guarantee fixed ROI daily. If you are looking for a guaranteed fixed ROI, 2% per day, 1% per day fixed, then this bot is not for you. This bot trades on crypto market and it doesn't control the market. Okay, now if you come here, you can just do API binding and then you click on Go Auto Futures. Go Auto Futures, the bot is going to control everything. It manages everything, including leveraging, DCA, sizing, and risk, stop loss, and whatever. You don't have to do anything. Within seconds, you can turn this on and it will start trading on your capital. Okay, it also has a strategy which you can just look like 2 to 3 clicks and you are done. Maybe you are someone who is trading with a capital of like less than $300. You can just click this and turn it on. If you have more than $300, on your futures or your spot balance, I am trading on only futures because futures is more profitable because of the leverage. But some people are even trading with both spot and futures, and the bot does that for you. So what happens is that if you have $300 or more, you just come over here to strategy, okay, and customize it. You see that we have settings here, strategy partitions here, $100, $200, $300, $500. 1,000, 2,000, all the way to 5,000. Okay, you see these ones are all locked because my remaining capital is less than $300. I am on the $100 strategy. If you select on it the $100 strategy, it means you are telling the bot to trade with a maximum of $100 per coin that is going to trade for you. So if you have like $300 and you select this $100 partition strategy, this bot is going to trade $300 maximum for you by putting a maximum of $100 per trade. You know, in trade, capital counts. The bigger the capital, the bigger the profit. So if you have 2,000, someone who has like $2,000, you can select the $200 partition and to give you a thing like 10 coins. It will trade up to a maximum of $200 per coin. Guys, this is insane. Once you select that, you come down here and turn on the long. It is already on. I have turned it on already. You turn on short, turn on smart DCA. These are all on. The smart DCA is so powerful because with this bot does not just put all your capital at once in a trade. If I ask it to trade a maximum of $100 per coin and it enters a trade, it's not going to enter with all the $100. Let's say it enter with Shiba Inu or BTC. First, it will enter with 15% of my capital. That's 15% of the $100, which I have asked it to add to use to trade the coin. 15%, that's $15. If the market is going against me, it will enter with another $15. That's 15%. If again the market is going against me, it will then enter with 30%. That's $30 here. Again, if the market is going against me, it will then enter with 40%. That's $40. That would then be 100% of the $100 it will put into the trade. That's why this thing is so powerful. But in more cases, it doesn't even fill all the DCAs before it closes on profit. Once you select that, you just come here and can turn on this button and this board, voila, it is done. If you come, you then see it's telling you what custom strategy mode. Now let's look at trades going on. If you come to trade, you will see trades, the open trades and close. Okay, now you can see open trades. Okay, these are what pending trades or floating trades. They are not closed. So these are pending trades. Some people, they join and they see this. Hey, it's in what? Negative this, negative this. They start what? Hey, panicking. Hey, I'm losing money. My money is going away. What is this? You have invited me to this board. You deceived me. Now I'm not making money. Guys, relax. These are pending. A trade is not considered to be in profit if this one is in floating profit because the board has not closed it. Until the board closes it, it's not real profit. Okay, it is floating. If you decide to close it now, or if the board closes now, then we are in profit. This one is in floating loss. It is not a loss until the board closes it. And the worst you can experience here is stop loss. That is when the market goes against you so badly, and the board wants to prevent all your capital from being wiped out. So to prevent you from liquidation, it will hit a stop loss, and you will lose small percentage of your capital. That is like 10% to 3% to 10% of that particular trade of that money, which is so good instead of you losing all your capital, guys. So these are what? Floating trades. You don't call them losses. They are not losses. If you are just patient enough to allow this board to do the work for you, it is going to make you good money. You see here, I said what? Auto, meaning is the board that did everything. It analyzes the market, it selects the coin, it puts its own stop loss and take profit. If you come here, for example, and click, you see that it also uses different leverages. You see 3x, 5x. You see that? Different leverages. This is so powerful, this board. 4x, 5x, 3x. Different leverages. Based on the coin, it analyzes the coin and know how strong it is. In liquidity, how it is. So if you tap here, for example, you see this is in over $1 in profit. This one over $9 in profit. If you click here, you see the details. I told you each trade has stop loss. You can see the stop loss here for this one. It has got take profit 1. When it hits that price, it's going to take profit. Take profit 2, take profit 3 as well. You see the DCA failed. It has only failed what? The first 15%, the first entry, 1/4. And you see that at the time this trade has been running. This is so powerful that if you really have patience and just allow this bot, it's going to make you so glad. Okay, now let's also go to closed trade. You can see, wow, it closed this trade $1.47 for me. Auto. You see, these are profit. Okay, these trades were also floating before the bot closed them in profit, so they cannot be profit without floating. For you to make money, your trades must float before they can make profit. That's why I recommend this bot to anybody who is looking to minimize that risk. Don't get me wrong. Listen to me. This bot does not 100% eliminate risk. There's risk even associated with sleep. Even if you're going to bed at night, it's not guaranteed that the next day you will wake up. So that's the risk of going to bed. However, this bot does its best by putting in stop loss in each trade so that the worst you can experience is to hit the stop loss. Stop loss is a safe haven. It is what? A safeguard against your capital from being wiped out to zero. You are trading with $100 on a particular coin, and the board has said the maximum you can lose, or the maximum you said the maximum you want to lose on this capital. If market is going against me, I want to lose only what? 3% or 10%. Instead of losing all my $100, like we have all experienced before. I got what? Liquidated in thousands of dollars. Some people got liquidated in futures, long and short, in what? In hundreds of thousands of dollars, because they did not use a smart bot like Crypto Flow bot, which will cushion them. So there's zero liquidation. You have heard me. There's zero liquidation. So this is so cool. I'm so glad I have found this bot and I'm not playing with it, guys. Okay. So that is it. Now I have 7 trades running. 7 trades running. They are open. You can see the closed trades. You have shown you this. Now you can also go to earnings. Okay, you can go to earnings and get the summary of your earnings. So if you come to the earnings aspect, you see here, you will see the total amount the board has earned for you so far in profits, and there's a breakdown here. You see the total number of trades. You see the win rate for you, how the bot has been performing for you. In my case, over 80%. And you see the number of trades it has closed. Here, for example, 476 trades were closed and 397 wins with 56 losses. They were managed. Okay. Now we have open now. 7 trades are open now. And if you come down, you also see the what? The trades history. The what? Best trade and then the worst trade or the toughest day. This was when Bitcoin was crashing and billions were being liquidated. This bot, I hit a stop loss and I lost only $24 instead of me having to lose several hundreds of dollars. That's why I said it's our what? Risk control and capital management, or capital protection and risk management. If you come here, you also see the top performing coins, the top performing trading pairs. You see each coin and how much it has made you in profit. And if you come here, you see the daily earnings every single day. You see what you are earning. You see the daily earnings, breakdown, the analytics, everything's there for you guys. This is it here, and then this is Crypto Income Daily, and I'm bringing you updates with one of the bots I think is currently the most unique in the market, AI-powered crypto trading with capital protection and risk management being the top priority. So guys, check this out, and I will leave the links in the comment section of this video. You can join our WhatsApp group and ask your questions. And that is it, guys. We have a group here. We have a WhatsApp group where I'm with my team and the others. So come about and let's stay away from scams. Like I told you earlier in this video, you just have to be patient. Don't expect quick results. Don't expect to be making money back and forth every day. No, it all depends on the market. However, you are assured that there's zero liquidation. It can never happen to you. And there's no crazy floating losses here, like we have experienced in the other boards. Okay, there's no any crazy floating losses here. Unlike some boards we used in the past where you could lose your assets in floating losses. For example, those of us who were in doing spot trading, your assets could depreciate to negative 50%, negative 80%, and you could have a lot of your capital floating hugely for months and even a year or more. That is it, guys. Don't get me wrong, this bot is not perfect, but I think it is just an improvement of the other bots we have used. Very easy to set up. You don't have to select the coins. It does everything on your behalf, guys. So that is it here. I'm signing out, and I hope you will do your own due diligence. If you think this is for you, if you think it is good for you, not to send your money to any platform, but to keep it in your custody in your Binance or Bybit, while a bot trades for you 24/7, you can come and let's do it. This bot costs $120 for a whole year. We have seen some bots that are not even performing up to the standards of this bot, but they're charging like $500 per month, $250 per month, $1,000 per year, and so on and so forth. Okay, so shut me up, guys. Let's make money. Thank you.